So this is the classic water pump, ancient water pump, and it was developed in Greece, and it's called the Archimedes Screw pump. So there's our container of water at the bottom. You can see this sort of screw thread arrangement here, which is my version of it rather than the original. So this is a big rubber pipe, and then there's an axle runs all the way down the middle, and I've put a wheel on the end so we can turn it. So the idea is to be able to lift the water up, and it's quite amazing how it does it. I mean, how did Archimedes figure this one out all those years ago? Maybe 2,500 to 3,000 years ago or something it would have been figured out. So what we've got is the axle can rotate, but it carries the tube with it, and then there's a scoop at the bottom so it can scoop the water. Every time it goes round once, it scooped water and sort of left it in the bottom part of the tube. So the bottom part of the tube, the water flows to the bottom part of the tube each time. Well, as you rotate the whole thing, that water is carried around the spiral. Well, it's not a spiral, it's a helix. The helix is that sort of thread shape all the way up. So the water starts at the bottom and gradually works its way up. It's very like how a bucket wheel works, except it's continuously rotating in a different plane to the bucket wheel. So let's rotate it, scoop some water up, and what I've got is an arrangement at the top where it can empty the water and then it flows back down into another water container. So I'll drive, here we go. And every time it comes out round, the next little part of the tube that's got water in it empties the water, and the next one fills up and fills up and fills up, so it goes continuously round. Absolutely fantastic. You see these being used in power generation these days, so it's quite incredible how they'll use the water flow the other direction deliberately to make the Archimedes screw rotate, but then attach a generator to it. So what we've got here is, you go too fast, you just splash water everywhere, but can you imagine how much water you could pump with this? I would imagine in the old days, thousands of years ago, it was very difficult to try and create the seal that you needed to be able to get the water to come up without leaking out. But they must have overcome it, because this invention was in use for a very long time, into the Roman Empire as well. So the Archimedes screw pump.